my channel Utsav, and this is your crafty host Priyanka. So I'm really excited to show you guys. I found these 4 jumbo coloring and activity book at Dollar Tree, and they were $1 each. Obviously it's Dollar Tree, but these are so cute. I'm not going to flip through all of them, but we are going to be painting these books throughout the month of December up till December 25th to celebrate Christmas on my channel. And I always get excited when the Christmas is announced, because it is fun time, it is happiness, it is enjoyment. And the best part is I'm not working this year, so I'm not busy, I'm at home and I can enjoy doing what I really want to do. So these are the 4 books. The first one has a snowman on it, and then the second one has an elf on it, and he's really cute. And the paper quality is not the best, but it definitely will be an amazing gift for kids. The third one has a reindeer, and the last one has a Santa on it. And the paintings inside are so cute. I mean, let me just flip through one. I can't really flip through, but if you can see something like this. So these are really cute paintings, and kids will enjoy it. It can be a good stocking stuffer, although you'll have to buy a really big stocking stuffer. But this can be a really good stocking stuffer with a paint box or a box of crayons. You can get it at Dollar Tree, or you can just buy the Crayola one. They are inexpensive too. So definitely it's a good stocking stuffer, a good Christmas present for someone who's like artsy or craftsy in your house and they love painting and coloring. Definitely buy this one. So I'm going to color 1 page today, but I'm hoping to do 2 paintings per video till December 25th, because I want to get this all books done by that time. So hoping my best that I could do that. So let's get to the table and start painting. Alright guys, so I found this coloring book at Dollar Tree, and it was $1. And I know the paper are not really that thick, but the paintings in there are really cute, and I've already selected a painting that I want to do today. So we're going to color this, and I'm going to color it with the paint pots that I got today in my Advent calendar. So let's get coloring. Guys, so my painting is complete. It is not really an extravagant painting, but I did use my Crayola's Advent Calendar paint pots that I got in my Advent Calendar for day 2, that is December 2nd. And if you haven't watched that video, I will have the link in the description for you guys to check out. Also, this can serve as a 3 marker challenge or 3 paint challenge, because I only use 3 paints. In the video you saw me only using 2 paints, but then I changed the color of the center for the flower and I made it green. But it, jokes apart, I was now planning to do a 3 marker challenge or 3 paint challenge. This is just because it's a really simple painting. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me color this little small painting. Although it's a jumbo page, it's a really small painting, really easy and basic, but a really enjoyable activity for kids. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. Please share this video with your friends and family. Also, if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel, because I am going to do a giveaway if we reach 1,000 subscribers by December 25th, and I cannot do it without your support. So if you're watching this video and haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. I have a lot of coloring activities, a lot of other craft activities on my channel. So definitely hit that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. And best part is it's free, so you can definitely you don't have to worry about that. So that's about it, guys. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.